Welcome to 0x41414141. As you may have just read, this is just another InfoSec YouTube channel. In this first video, I'm gonna briefly present what this channel will be about, and then I will show you some material to get the knowledge needed to start doing binary exploitation and reverse engineering. So, what will I upload to this channel? Well, the idea is to use it as a diary where I'll record me trying to learn new things, hoping that this may help others and also provide me feedbacks to improve myself. So we can now immediately move to more interesting stuff. In my mind, this video is meant for people who already have a general understanding of computers, programming, networking, and so on, but are new to exploitation and reverse engineering. My first suggestion for you is this course named Offensive Computer Security 2.0 by Owen Redwood. You can find him on Twitter. This course, in my opinion, is exactly what you need to move the first steps in these fields. It covers a set of topics ranging from binary exploitation to web application hacking. On this website you will find all the links to the video lessons, plus some suggested homeworks and PDF slides. The first lessons are about secure C programming. You will be presented with the most common bugs that you can find in C programs, and then you will learn how to exploit them, starting from older techniques and coming to more modern ones. There is also a part related to web application hacking, but I'm more focused on binary stuff, so I probably won't upload videos about web hacking. This course is based on two main textbooks, which are this: Hacking, the Art of Exploitation. This is a relatively old book, so while reading it, keep in mind that it was written 10 years ago, so things have changed meanwhile, but you can get also useful information. The other book for the web application part is this, but I just skip it. The other course that you should take is Modern Binary Exploitation. This is a more advanced course on binary exploitation and is based on this book, which covers more in-depth binary exploitation techniques, modern mitigations. And this is all about the binary exploitation part. Moving to the reverse engineering one, the first suggestion I have for you is this book. It is freely available online. It's called Reverse Engineering for Beginners, and this will give you the basics that you need on various topics. And the other book on reverse engineering that you should read is this. This will cover these three architectures, which are the most widespread and common that you can find. And that's all for the book and course part. Another place where you can find information is this one, which is frac.org. This is an important piece of the hacking scene, the hacking culture and history, so you should read it both for the technical and the cultural stuff. It is not published regularly. The last issue is 69, 2016. However, you should read also all publications because they are full of very interesting stuff. Google Project Zero is a team at Google working at finding bugs and publishing research about that. You should come here if you want to see how Exploitation works in real world, and this is very interesting. Um, if you wanna start practicing yourself, you have many possibilities. One of the funniest is playing CTFs, which are competitions where you have some challenges to solve. The challenges can belong to different categories. As far as it regards us, we are interested in pawn and reverse engineering. You can get an introduction to CTFs here. This is the CTF field guide by Trail of Bits. You can find information about CTF at ctftime.org. You can find running CTFs, upcoming CTFs, write-ups, and so on. And also on YouTube there are many interesting resources to learn, and I strongly advise you to visit these two channels. This one is Live Overflow's channel, and this one, Gimbals. They both contains a lot of write-ups, solutions of challenges, real-world exploit, and so on. Just check them. The last three websites are a set of challenges, and the first one contains ISOs that you can download to quickly fire up a virtual machine running vulnerable software, so you can exploit it. There are different virtual machines. You can start with this one, which is the easiest one, and you can then go on. This is another site which only gives you the binaries and is focused on RAP, which is a technique that is used in common exploitation. The last one is pawnable.kr, which contains a lot of challenges ranging from easy to very hard. There is a rank, and you can use the challenges through SSH. Try it. This was the last website that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that this can help newcomers to get the knowledge necessary to understand the following videos. So see you next time.